In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert PDF to Word for free in Adobe Acrobat. We'll use Adobe's free online tools inside Adobe Express, which include Acrobat's PDF converter, so you can do this in any web browser without installing anything. By the end, you'll have a clean button on a docx file you can edit in Microsoft Word. Start by opening Adobe Express in your browser. When you land on the home page, you'll see a variety of creative tools. We're heading to the area dedicated to working with documents. Simply scroll down the page until you find the section labeled Documents or PDF Tools. If you see a panel called PDF, that's the one you want. Next, select Convert from PDF. This opens the converter where you choose exactly what you want to turn your PDF into. Now add your PDF file. You can drag and drop it straight onto the page, or click the Upload button to browse your computer and select it. Larger files may take a moment to load, and protected PDFs may require permission to convert. It's a good idea to keep a copy of the original file in case you want to compare the layout later. Look for the Format dropdown in the converter. This menu lets you pick the output type. Open the dropdown to see the available formats. Choose Microsoft Word as the destination format. The .docx option gives you the best compatibility with modern versions of Word and other editors. If your PDF was made from scanned pages, Adobe will automatically run text recognition to extract editable text. Keep in mind that very complex layouts, unusual fonts, and multi-column designs may shift slightly during conversion, which is normal across all converters. When you're ready, start the conversion and then click Download. The tool will process the PDF and prepare your Word document. Save the docx file to a folder you'll remember. After it downloads, open it in Word to review. Check headings, tables, and images, and make quick touch-ups if needed. Renaming the file with something descriptive, like adding converted to the end, can help you keep things organized. If you're preparing a long report, skim through the first few pages and the last page to make sure headers, footers, and page numbers carried over correctly. You can repeat the conversion anytime with additional PDFs using the same process. That's all there is to it. Open Adobe Express, find Documents, choose Convert from PDF, upload your file, pick Microsoft Word from the dropdown, and download the finished document. It's fast, accurate, and completely free for this task.